Hi guys, today I'm creating a charming cottage summer tea party. I hope this tablescape will give you lots of ideas, so let's get started. Okay guys, so I'll be using this beige lace trimmed runner. Just look at the details on this, it's just so pretty. I found this in my storage and it was still in the pack and I knew I had to use it. The lace for sure will bring that cozy cottage feel. Next, I'm adding these woven placemats. I've had them for a while now. I got them from Temu. The runner is also from Temu. Today's video is also a collaboration. The theme is Cottage Garden Summer Tea Party, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandylynn's Home and Garden, Dream with Caroline, May's Design Corner, Second and Tracy Ann, and myself, Eventful Living with Kay. These plates that I'm using today, they are off-white and they are from the Dollar Tree. And today I'm doing a setting for 4. So these are the salad plates I will be using, and I really love these. They are thrifted and they will bring the right amount of vintage elegance to this cottage setup. I'm going to layer them on top of the dinner plates. So these are the teacups I will be using, guys, and they are all different. They have their own unique floral pattern. And one of the things I love about cottage style is that it doesn't have to be perfect. The beauty comes from mixing textures and vintage pieces to bring that warm, welcoming, cozy, relaxed feel. Oh, and guys, I wanted to thank you so much. I got to 1,000 subscribers and I really do appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting. I really do appreciate it. Now, with that said, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And if you are enjoying the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so next I'm adding my utensils and I'm using stainless steel. I thought they went best with this cottage theme. For the napkins, I'll be folding my napkin in half and then in half again, and then I'll layer it across the dinner plate. It's just going to be real simple to match the theme. I got all my napkins folded, so now I'm going to go ahead and layer them on top of the dinner plates. If you know me, guys, you know I love tea, so I had to get on this collaboration. So please don't forget to check out the playlist and show the other ladies some love. And I hope you get some inspiration because I really enjoyed putting this tablescape together. These are the flowers I will be using, and they will definitely bring that pop of color to the table. And these are the vases I will be using. They are shaped like bottles, so they are perfect, and these I got on Amazon some time ago. So I'll be adding the vases in the middle, one at each end and one in the middle. So with the centerpiece, you want to keep it simple so that there is enough room and space on the table for the food. You could go ahead and add some candles to your centerpiece if you'd like, as candles always make the setting feel more cozy and elegant. I'm just adding my finishing touches now, my teapots, my cream pitchers, my sugar bowls, and some sweet treats to bring this to life. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I absolutely love this. The table feels relaxed and cozy, and the florals along with the neutral shades are definitely bringing that garden inspired feel, and it's ready for an afternoon filled with tea, sweet treats, and great conversations. This is a budget-friendly setup, guys, so always remember that you don't need to spend a lot to create something beautiful. So I really do hope you are inspired. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.